Once upon a time, a raven and a sparrow became friends. One day, they saw an old woman spreading boiled paddy in her courtyard. The raven suggested they gather the paddy, but added a condition: the one who collected less would be eaten by the other. The sparrow realized the raven's intention to eat her, but agreed, thinking she could outsmart him. After gathering paddy, the sparrow collected little while the raven brought much more. As the raven prepared to eat her, the sparrow cleverly said, "Your beak stinks. Wash it in the sea first." The raven agreed and flew to the sea, but the sea demanded a jar. The potter needed soil for the jar. The soil required digging. The buffalo refused its horn for digging. The dog needed milk to gain strength to kill the buffalo. The cow wanted grass for milk, and the blacksmith needed fire to make a sickle to cut grass. The raven finally got fire, but as he flew over the sea, his wings caught fire, and he drowned. The sparrow, watching secretly, flew away happily, safe and free.